Hi, I'm James Miller with Miller Insurance Agency, and I wanted to make this video just to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately. Is my roof covered? Well, the reason I'm getting all these calls is because we've had a huge amount of rain here in Southern California this winter season. And so I'm getting these calls, is my roof covered? Well, the answer is yes, your roof is covered, but probably not for what you think it is. See, your whole home is covered. If there's a fire, for example, we're going to rebuild the whole house, including the roof. So yes, your roof is covered, but is your roof covered for rain? Well, it usually isn't, because your roof is supposed to get rained on. That's normal. So why are people calling? They're calling because their roof is leaking. And so really the question is, well, why is it leaking? And so your insurance policy, pretty much all of them will cover you if your roof is damaged from maybe something fell on it, like a tree branch with the wind. It broke a tree branch and the tree branch fell on your roof. It damaged the roof. Now you have water leaking into your house. Absolutely. We'll pay for the cost to remove the tree branch to fix the roof and the water damage. Maybe there was really strong wind and it blew some shingles off of the roof, and now the shingles there are missing, and so now water's coming into the house. Yeah, you have water damage, you have roof damage. That's covered by insurance. But if your roof is old and it's wearing out and it starts to leak because it's old, the insurance companies usually won't pay for that. And the reason is that on most insurance policies, there's an exclusion for what's called wear and tear. All the components of our house are constantly going through wear and tear. And a lot of the things on a home are only going to last 20 years, 30 years, maybe 50 years, but we have to plan to replace them. And the roof is one of those systems. If your insurance policy didn't have a wear and tear exclusion, that would be more like a home warranty. And what it would mean is that your insurance premiums have to cover for all the things that we're replacing: our appliances, our roofs, our windows, our air conditioning units, just because they're getting old and wearing out. And so insurance policies usually don't cover for wear and tear. Now, there's another call I get sometimes, and I've had this call even on new roofs, where you would think, well, a new roof, that wouldn't be wear and tear. Well, there's something else we find sometimes is faulty workmanship. We had a customer who had solar installed on their roof, and the solar installers broke some of the roof tiles when they were walking around up there. And so they just tried to glue them with tar instead of replacing the tile. And then first big rain and roof is leaking. Well, that's faulty workmanship. And so in that case, we actually referred our customer to talk to the solar company and file a claim on their business insurance because they were at fault for damaging the roof. And so, it's important to understand this, because in California, a lot of the time, if you call your insurance company, you'll end up filing a claim, because there's laws that protect us from discouraging people from filing claims. You might want to keep that claims-free record. And so if you know your roof is old, it may not be worth filing a claim on that just because it's leaking. It might be more appropriate to start planning to replace that roof. So thank you for your business and for your time. Let me know if I can help with your insurance or provide any advice or guidance to you. Again, I'm James with Miller Insurance Agency, and I hope you're enjoying all this winter rain we're getting instead of dreading it because you have a leaking roof. Thank you and take care.